everyone, so in this video I'm reviewing the Admax snow thrower. So this is the stage 1 thrower and I got it from Walmart. Shipping was next day, so I got it like the very next day, and it was just a 1 day shipping, that's it. And it came really nicely packed, so shipping was totally free. And to be very honest, the assembly was very easy. I did not have to spend like hours in getting it assembled, so assembly was very easy. But you will be needing a snap ring plier to assemble the wheels, so it's very important that you have a snap ring plier to get the wheels assembled. And if you want, just buy some extra snap ring from the store, so in case if you lose the one which comes with the thrower, you have an extra one. So after the snap ring plier, your wheels get done, that is the important part, and it's assembled. So one more thing which I want to mention is that it just started with the first pull. So with the first pull it was ready to go, it started. And overall I like the product. After doing a lot of research, after doing like lot of research and going to the stores, I wanted something in my budget and I did not spend too much. So within 250 you can buy this Yardmax snow thrower, and it depends on the store, what store you are buying. Some stores have discounts, some stores have coupon, some stores have special offers. So make sure you check out the special offers and coupon, whatever you find which is easy for you. It can save you like 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever, but it is a budget friendly product. So I like the budget of it, and the shipping was like totally free. It came really nicely packed. It came with the oil, the engine oil came with it. So I like the overall product, and it started with the first pull, which is very important. So the overall product was nice, and I'm just making this video for the people who want to get something with the budget and which is not that expensive out there, because many of the snow blowers at store are like for 300, or they are electric. I did not wanted to buy electric one, I only wanted the gas one. So this is the one, this is the gas one, and this is within 250 budget. So I like the product overall, but make sure you have a snap ring plier to add the wheels. So this was all about the reviewing the product. So hope you guys stay warm, hope you guys like the video. Thank you, stay warm, bye bye. most important things you can do to stay warm in such a brutal weather: stay next to the sun, sit next to the sun, enjoy sunlight, take hot shower, hot bath, whatever you like, or just stay warm and cozy in the blanket, get some nice nap, or sip some coffee. Stay warm. Bye bye.